There are plenty of ways to cut out objects in Adobe Photoshop. Today, I'm going to show you my secret weapon. The quick selection tool is one of the most resourceful tools for cutting out objects in Adobe Photoshop, and my favorite. Yet, I'm going to show you how to use a little feature called quick mask mode. Using quick mask mode allows you to create precise and detailed selections within the quick selection tool. Pressing W will allow you to bring up the quick selection tool. Using this tool, we can create precise selection to whatever we're trying to cut out. Why I prefer the quick selection tool is because you can use it just like a brush, which will allow you to create more precise and fluid selection. This tool is powerful, and while you use it, you could watch it literally stick to the edges and try to locate them while you're using it. In general, it does a great job at finding those edges. Yet, if you just can't get the selection you're looking for, here's your answer: the quick mask mode. Using quick mask by pressing Q will apply a semi-transparent red overlay. This red overlay will show everything that is not currently selected. This allows you to clearly see what you're cutting out. To edit your selection within the quick mask mode, select the brush tool. Make sure that your colors are black and white. Using white will allow you to precisely create selections, just as if you were drawing with the brush tool. Just make sure that your brush tip is sharp or has a soft opacity so we could create clean selections around corners. Using black will allow us to erase and make adjustments to our selection. These two features have been my secret weapon. They can really help you if you're trying to create precise and accurate selections for your design projects. Hopefully I was able to teach you something new. If you like graphic design content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. It'd really help me out a lot. If you want to find some of my art or need some design resources, check out my Gumroad and Etsy. Thank you for watching.